Magandang araw mga fellow gun enthusiasts! Welcome to another video of Philippine Ricochet Line. And in this series of videos, pag-uusapan na natin ngayon ang UDMC rifles dito sa Pilipinas. We are here today at the UDMC facility in Parañaque, sa headquarters nila. And here we're going to show you a lot of the UDMC rifles na meron tayo na ino-offer nila for the civilian and military market. As you can see over here, meron din tayong mga S7 and S5 na SPR rifles. So for this episode, we're going to talk about the S5 DGIS. There you go, guys. Marami kasi sa inyo nagtatanong sa akin kung ano ba yung pinakamagandang 5.56 rifle na makukuha natin for our money dito sa Pilipinas. Now, there are a lot of options that you can get here. For example, yung mga entry-level options natin. But in my opinion, the best that you can really get for your hard-earned money, with everything considered, guys, pati yung quality service niya, accuracy, and even yung premium features niya at an affordable price point, the best na talagang UDMC. You really can't go wrong with it. And the reason for that is because for what you pay for, marami ka talagang makukuhang AR na doon sa pera na binayad mo. This is not an entry-level rifle, guys. I consider UDMC to be more of a mid-range or even a upper mid-tier option, and we're going to show you why that is so. So first off, guys, if you like this video, please consider like, sharing, and subscribing. I would like to notify everyone that there are no firearms for sale in this video. We're just going to explore what you get with UDMC rifles. And then also, I would like to thank UDMC for accommodating my request for a video on these very, very cool rifles. Kasi, alam nyo guys, it's very important that as a buyer, as a consumer of rifles, you are made aware of the best options you can get. Hindi yung kung ano lang yung nakikita natin sa mga gun store na malapit sa atin. Gusto natin makita yung the best talaga. So we're gonna review that now. So this over here is the UDMC S5 DGIS. This is the most entry-level rifle that you're going to get from UDMC. The most affordable option that they have. So let's have a look at it. Okay, so here you go. This one has a 10.5-inch barrel on it. And kita natin yung mga markings niya, no? UDMC S5 DGIS. So ito yung direct gas impingement unit nila. This one is a civilian model, safe and semi. We are going to also take a look at yung full auto nila doon sa susunod na video. So here it is, made in Parañaque City, Philippines. This rifle is assembled here in the Philippines using all imported components. One of the premium features of this rifle is the Bargara barrel made in Spain. This one is the stainless steel competition model. Very accurate. You can also get these in carbon steel. So kung yun yung gusto nyo guys, gusto nyo ng option na mahaba yung barrel life niya, pero yung features niya is more on mil spec rather than competition, you would go for the stainless steel kung more on competition inclined ka. Pero kung long service life yung habol mo, you wanna go for the carbon steel version of the barrel. This is also the UDMC flash hider, no? So there you go. So looking at this rifle, guys, ayan, may markings din tayo doon sa position ng rails niya. Looking on the other side, we also have the very signature UDMC sun and stars na markings niya. Very nice. Very patriotic. I like that. And yun nga, you get this railed polymer handguard. So kung mag-attach ka ng mga accessories, this is a good place for it. You also have the bayonet lug. Now, kung meron kang bayonet para dito, yung mga M7 or M9 bayonets, you can use that here. But you need to have the correct muzzle device for that. So you will not be able to insert the bayonet if biniba mo yung muzzle device mo or malalaki yung mga muzzle device na ginagamit mo. But that is also an option that you can get kung gagamit ka ng bayonet. So the front sight is the standard M16 front sight post, and the rear sight over here ng UDMC is the UTG iron flip up sight. So it's this is the sight that you're getting with it. So if you look over there, ayan siya. It's kind of hard to see, to show it, pero yeah, there you go. See, yun yung sight natin. All right, so it's very important to understand, guys, that with this unit, you're getting the best na for your budget. Okay, for Vergara barrels, as I explained, yan yung stainless steel nila, more on optimized for competition. As many of you already know, the UDMC S5 rifles, ito yung gamit ng armed forces natin pag lumalaban sila sa competition. They recently won several awards doon sa kanilang competition. So congratulations to the Philippine Army for winning using locally assembled rifles. So talagang magagaling na yung mga natin, yung Philippine Army natin, maganda pa yung mga rifles na gamit nila. Now, like most AR offerings over here, we have the 7075 T6 upper and lower receivers, and you see all of the upgrades that we have over here, including the barrel, polymer handguards. The magazine that we have over here is itong CAA nila na magazine, and the improved bolt carrier group. Now, the AFP and PNP have done multiple accuracy tests on this rifle. All of them scored really, really well. We will talk about that in another video, guys. We're gonna talk about the mga test results na yan. You deserve to know all of the information about this rifle, and we're bringing it to you. So, let's have a look at the internals ng UDMC. So first off, guys, safety check muna tayo. We really want to make sure that everything is clear for safety. There you go. Okay, chamber's empty, point in the safe direction. So there you go. So check natin kung ano yung interior niya. So I'm gonna see kung may makuha tayo dito na na pang disassemble. All right. Let's look at the internals. There you go. So sa inyo dito na mga very curious kung ano yung laman ng UDMC rifle, there it is. There's the buffer, and this is the bolt carrier group. The charging handle is yung standard charging handle. And then we're gonna take a look at the bolt carrier. As I mentioned earlier, we do have an improved bolt carrier group. This is it. So ito yung niya, yung direct gas impingement na bolt carrier group. These are the this is the gas key, staked, and we have this bolt. This has been test fired, guys. This is this is a test rifle. You will get something very similar to this, and you can tell na na-test na talaga nila to. So this is it. This is the bolt carrier group. Yan. So other than that, you can also see over here, that is what the barrel chamber looks like. The chamber looks like. As I mentioned earlier, stainless steel yung barrel. Guys, pag stainless steel yung barrel, hindi na siya chrome finished, ha? Hindi mo na kailangan yon kasi stainless steel na yung barrel mo. So because of that, you generally get more accuracy from it. So let's have a look again. This is the charging handle. Standard lang siya. So there you go. Overall, you really get a lot for your investment with UDMC. This is I have a UDMC PVAR for my 5.56 rifle, guys. A lot of you already know that. And I'd like to also point out na yun nga, if you're only going to have one rifle and one rifle only, and you wanted to make a 5.56, guys, I cannot recommend the UDMC rifles enough kasi for me, I think it is the best investment that you can get with your funds. Okay? So there you go. I'm gonna put it back together again para lang maano natin siya, para lang mabalik na sa dati. So there you go, guys. The UDMC rifles are known for their accuracy, guys. The Philippine Army wouldn't use this in their competition kung hindi sila confident sa accuracy nito. It's really the best that you can get for the budget or the price that it asks for. Here's the butt pad. And yun nga. In my opinion, guys, this is the best AR platform you can get here in the Philippines for the lowest price point possible. And it's made with imported components. Again, one of the things that you're gonna get with UDMC nga, guys, is that you get quality service for the rifle. So in other words, if you get a unit like this and then say gusto mo pa siyang padagdagan ng mga kung ano-anong components, you want a new selector switch, you want a new bolt release, or gusto mong papalitan, for example, yung trigger, you can always take it back here in UDMC and have the parts installed. You can buy the parts from a gun show, for example, and then ipa-install mo na lang sa kanila. It's much better off that way because it doesn't void the warranty of the rifle as opposed to kung pinakabit mo lang siya sa kakilala mo or for example sa ibang gunsmith. So that way, you get the best service and maintenance possible for your rifle. Okay, so there you go, guys. It also comes with this magazine. There are many magazines na pwede mong gamitin sa UDMC. A lot of people like, for example, Magpul. Personally, ako gusto ko ng Lancer na magazines, but you can go with that, with whatever magazine you have. So there you go, guys. This is the UDMC S5 DGIS. So again, I would like to thank you, mga partners ko sa UDMC. I'd like to thank them for accommodating my request. Very, very helpful team. The best na tumutulong talaga to, bring you all of the information that you will need to make the best decision possible on your first 5.56 rifle. So if you're interested in getting your first 5.56 rifle and you are budget strapped, in my opinion, this is the best that you can get. There are, of course, cheaper options, pero guys, pag kumuha kayo ng UDMC, ano na talaga siya? It's the best that you can get, mid-tier, upper mid-tier. Of course, there are better ones like yung mga Knights Armament Company na abot kayo ng 400,000 pesos kung yun ang gusto nyong rifle. But if you want to keep the budget smart and reasonable, this is it. So again, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. And we are going to also show yung mga susunod nating mga rifles. There you go. 5.56 na SPR and S7. We're gonna talk about that in our next video. So again, if you have any comments, any suggestions, let me know what you think about the UDMC S5 DGIS. Do you like it? Are you thinking of getting one? Lalo na ngayon na magkakaroon tayo ng gun ban, pero pwede ka naman mag-layaway if interested ka and you can get it after the gun ban. So something to think about if you are looking to get your first 5.56 rifle. So there you go, guys. Maraming salamat, and I will see you all in the next video to discuss the other UDMC rifles. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.